Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Cuphead on iPhone updated. First, download a compatible controller app and connect a Bluetooth controller, then enable touch controls if you prefer on-screen input. Next, install the streaming client or purchase the iOS port from the App Store and set graphics to performance for responsive play. Finally, map buttons for dash and parry, practice run patterns, and adjust sensitivity until movement feels natural. Start by pairing your controller through iPhone settings, then test each button in a simple platformer to confirm mapping. Use low-latency Bluetooth controllers for best response and close background apps to reduce input lag. If you use touch, customize virtual button size and placement for comfort, and enable gyroscope aiming only if it improves accuracy for you. Practice boss patterns in short sessions consistently to build timing and muscle memory. If Cuphead stutters, lower resolution and disable extra visual filters in game settings, then reboot your iPhone to clear cached processes. For streaming solutions, ensure your home network has strong upload speed and connect your console or PC to the router with Ethernet. Purchase only official versions or authorized ports to avoid compatibility issues, and backup save data to iCloud so you never lose progress when switching devices or restoring the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.